This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Sue Nichols. One-of-a-kind fully updated ranch home in the desirable Birkdale Golf community. Home is situated on 0.32 acres overlooking the 13th green. Features include 3-bedroom/2.5 bath with an open floor plan/split bedrooms, vaulted ceilings, hardwoods and travertine. Gourmet kitchen with large island, 3 ovens, breakfast area, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and travertine backsplash. Spacious great room opens up to an amazing back porch which is covered with a motorized remote-controlled pergola. Great entertaining space. The primary bedroom features tray ceiling, customized walk-in closet and bathroom that makes you feel like you're in a spa. Plantation shutters throughout. Convenient to Birkdale Village with tons of shopping and restaurants. Only minutes from Lake Norman, 485, I-77, and Uptown. Community amenities include pool, clubhouse, pickleball, tennis, basketball, playground and Birkdale Golf Course.